Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about cooking in the Middle Ages. Rich and poor people ate very different foods in the Middle Ages. Bread was a particularly important food as it was eaten by everybody at every meal. However, the quality of the bread eaten depended on how much money you had. White bread was made with flour and considered to be better for you. This was eaten by the wealthy. Dark bread was made with rye and barley and eaten by the poor. As bread was eaten by everybody, it was important for a baker's reputation they did not cheat their customers in the weight of the flour they used. To show they used the right amount of flour, a baker usually made 13 rolls, all the same size and weight. This was known as a baker's dozen. Hunting was part of a nobleman's pastime, and the animals they killed would be prepared for the evening meal. This might include deer and birds like grouse or pheasant. Chicken was actually a very expensive meat and not eaten very often. Chickens were valuable because they laid eggs. If you ate your chicken, you would lose your supply of eggs, and only the wealthy could afford to do this. Those who lived by a stream, river, or by the coast could catch fish like salmon or trout to eat. At this time, a Friday was often considered to be a religious day, and many people would avoid meat on these days, eating fish as a substitute. Fruit such as apples, pears, and berries could be found seasonally on bushes and trees. However, fruit could not be relied upon as a regular staple as it was not available all year round. Vegetables like onions, carrots, and cabbages were commonly eaten in stews. Stews were inexpensive and mostly eaten by the poor. Almonds were very popular and used as a thickener in soups, stews, and sauces. Almond milk was better than cow's milk as it did not spoil. Spices were extremely expensive as they came all the way from India and only enjoyed by the very wealthy. They were so valuable they had to be kept locked away in the castle kitchen. A castle kitchen would have cinnamon, saffron, nutmeg, cloves, pepper, and ginger to make dishes full of flavour. Desserts like fruit tarts were enjoyed by the wealthy. They were sweetened by fruit and not by sugar at this time. Desserts were eaten alongside savoury dishes, so you could enjoy your fruit tart with bread and meat all at the same time. Forks were around at this time, but not used in England. Guests would bring their own bowls and spoons to a feast at the castle. They would have a napkin over one shoulder to wipe their fingers as they mostly ate with their hands. It was considered hygienic to eat only with your right hand, using your left hand to wipe yourself after going to the toilet. For your hands-on activity, prepare a dish inspired by food eaten in the Middle Ages. You might prepare a stew, a baker's dozen, or a dessert sweetened by fruit. You might choose to eat with a napkin over one shoulder and make sure you use the right hand. For more information about this activity and more activities related to castles, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 2, Castles. I hope you enjoy preparing your own dish. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!